I'll guide you through how to recover a forgotten WhatsApp account the easy way, without worrying about losing your chats. If you're locked out of your account, or you have a new phone and need to restore your chat history, or also need to recover your WhatsApp account, then this tutorial will walk you through the complete steps. If you're ready, hit the like button, let's get started. Unlike other apps, WhatsApp doesn't use a traditional password. Your account is linked to your phone number. Here is how you can recover your account and your chats. First, open the WhatsApp app on your phone. If you're a new user or have reinstalled the app, you will be prompted to enter your phone number. Enter the number associated with your WhatsApp account and tap Next. You will then receive a 6-digit verification code via SMS. Enter this code to proceed. After verifying your phone number, WhatsApp will look for a backup of your chats. If you have a backup saved to your Google Drive, the app will ask for permission to restore it. Tap Restore to recover your messages and media from the backup. Once the restoration is complete, you can enter your profile name and image. You will then have access to your account and all of your recovered chats. This process ensures you don't lose any of your conversations when you get a new phone or reinstall the app. Now that you've learned how to recover your WhatsApp account, please consider subscribing to the channel. If you have any questions, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card to explore more WhatsApp video tutorials. Thanks for watching.